Good day, guys. So this is day 2 of breaking down data concepts. Today we'll be talking about the structure of data sets. So let's head over to my screen. So this is a data set, as you can see. A data set contains columns and rows. From our past video, we talked about that. But when we talk about data set structures, we are focusing now on how this data is arranged to make it easy to understand and work with. So now, in most well-organized data sets, there are some key features you always see. The first one is the primary key. Now, the primary key is the unique identifier. Now, this is an employees table. So the primary key now will be a key or a column that uniquely identifies each row. So that will be the employee ID. So this employee 1000 is now a unique identifier for this row. This one is for this row. For this row, that each row has a unique identifier, which is the employee ID. It was order table. It's gonna be the order ID, but this is an employee table, so it's the employee ID. The next key feature of a dataset structure is qualitative data. Now, qualitative data is like a categorical or descriptive information. Things like names. You can see, look at this name column now. This particular record is for Karen Wilson. Karen Wilson is a qualitative data, a categorical data. So we have Robert Rodriguez, Linda Johnson, all of them falls under this column, which is a categorical column. Gender also is a categorical column, so it falls under qualitative data. Department also, job role, just anything text based. Mostly most text based records are categorical. Then now the other part is quantitative data. Anytime you see numerical information like numbers, age, consider age is numbers 37, 29. And something about this quantitative data is that we normally perform calculations on them. So you can say, okay, what's the average age? What's the max age? What's the total age? So this quantitative data, we normally perform calculations on them, and they are numerical. Things like salary, years of experience, flight handle, they are all numeric data or quantitative data. So now if we look towards the other columns, we can see customer complaints is a quantitative data, overtime hours, quantitative, performance rating, qualitative, that's categorical, bonus received, quantitative, qualitative, training hours is quantitative, and this is quantitative. So this is how a data set is structured. So in a well-organized data set, we normally have primary key, we have the qualitative data, and we have the quantitative data, mostly in a well-organized data set.